So today I'm going to make some toothpaste, and I got this recipe for the toothpaste from a YouTuber called Lily Koi Hawaii, and I think her recipe is excellent, but I've never tried it, so I'm going to make it today. So here we go. Let's start. So you start out with 3 parts of calcium carbonate powder. So I just got a lot of this stuff, you know, from Amazon, and some of it I got in a health food store. So 3 parts calcium carbonate powder, 1 part baking soda, 2 parts xylitol. Xylitol is known to prevent bacteria from growing, so that's always a good thing to help prevent tooth decay. 2 parts xylitol, 1 part all natural salt. This is just some Himalayan salt. 2 parts bentonite clay. I just got this at my local store. 1 part cacao. I like this brand here. So 1 part cacao. And 1 part charcoal. And then you need some water. And it's not a bad idea to add some mineral, because of course part of the purpose of the toothpaste is to try and remineralize your teeth. So adding some minerals to that is not a bad idea. And you mix all these ingredients. And once they're mixed, you add water, but just a little bit at a time, because it can turn very liquid very quickly. So I'm just going to put 3 of these for now and add more as I go. So it looks like a good texture right now for a paste, because you want to be able to grab a little bit and put it on your toothbrush. So at this point, you can add a few drops of peppermint oil. And mix that in there. And it seems I made quite a bit, so I might have some to give away. And there you have a nice paste. Then you're going to want to store it in a glass jar, because the bentonite clay says do not store in metal. And I read somewhere that you're not supposed to store it in plastic either. So here goes. So this is the finished product, and I'm going to use it with my electric Sonicare toothbrush and let you know in about a week how it went. So I've been using this for a couple of weeks now, and it's awesome. I really like it. It does a good job. My mouth feels clean and my teeth feel clean and fresh, and yeah, and I like that I'm not polluting the environment with a bunch of toothpaste tubes. So there you go. Try it at home. Talk to you later.